When I got to Scotland, everything I saw was nothing short of amazing. Hi, my name is Isabella, and I went on a 2-week program to both Ireland and Scotland to fulfill the university's British literature requirement. While in Ireland, in class, we learned a lot about Oscar Wilde, and we also even got to visit his home and his statue. While in the house, we got to visit, it's set up the exact same way it was when he lived there, so it was really cool to see his own room. And even looking outside of his window, you're able to see his own statue. We got to learn about where he grew up and how that affected his whole life and his writing and what made it so influential to so many people. While in class, we also learned about James Joyce, another influential writer in Ireland. While we were in the pharmacy, it was really cool to just learn more about James Joyce and the Odyssey and how that pharmacy impacted that story. My favorite part of Ireland was we were able to go on a hike in a place called Howth. And in this hike, we got to see so many beautiful views over like the ocean. This hike even led us to an amazing beach, which was covered in rocks and freezing cold water that even some people within my group got to swim in. It was very lively. Everyone was so friendly. The next place we got to visit was Scotland, and the first thing we did was take a hike up the Royal Mile. We even got to see the place where Harry Potter was filmed in Alnwick Castle. It took us around many places in which it showed the actual place that it was filmed and how they filmed it as well. While in Scotland, we got to take a hike up what they called Arthur's Seat. It's a very tall mountain. We made it almost to the top. Cool tour we got to take was a boat ride where you were trying to search for the Loch Ness Monster, and while we were on there, they told us many stories of the Loch Ness. On the last day, we went to a farewell dinner. Here, we got to say our goodbyes and reflect on our adventures and the memories we made during this trip. If you're thinking about going abroad, I would absolutely say yes. You get a completely different learning environment than you would in a regular classroom. It's very immersive and it makes wonderful memories. This trip is something that I will reflect on forever. I will carry memories from it for the rest of my life.
Going home.